Hello guys, welcome to K1 Repair Center. We are going to talk today about, and this is short video information, fantastic JCID for true tone transfer V1S model, beautiful design, fantastic glossy finish which you can change the board as well. You can change the board. If you got this is for LCD, you can connect to the batteries or fingerprint. If you got, let me take that one off. So, and you can put the battery inside. That's the box, that is the box. You can put battery inside as well. iPhone 6 battery, you can carry it with you, like what the other websites say, pocket design. No, you can pocket design. Yeah, what the hell, now it's beyond, I don't know, it's fantastic when you cannot use it. So just I want to give you information about that product. You are not able to transfer from the original data to the copy screen. You need to have refurbished screen to able to transfer. I have asked them, company who sell them, and they'll say, oh, you know, we don't know. Bullshit. If you do it over 25 years, this business, you want to tell me you don't know, you can't write it, you don't know you can write it from the original to the copy one. However, you will not able to write it from the original data screen to the copy screen. You need to have a refurbished screen to be able to do that. You cannot clone the home button. Honestly, I don't know, is it really necessary to buy that product if you are, I don't know how many screen you repair in a day. We say hundreds, and how many for them customer happy to pay double price because when I have a refurbished one, and how many refurbished one when you buy, we change the glass is working correctly. Honestly, you know what I mean? It doesn't make any sense. However, let me show you. If it, and that is Chinese now. You just need to press that rewrite button once to change to the English. Yeah, you see it if I press that one, Chinese, English, Chinese, English. That button I'm pressing now is in English. Press that button, go there. I'm going to connect it the iPhone 8 screen. Just want to show you it's not working. You need to have a refurbish. For my opinion, not worth it. Not worth it to spend that £90 for something that you don't want to really, I don't know. However, go there, press read. 1 second, let me turn it. Okay, it should connect it now. 1 second, let me take it that one off. I think because it's that is connected. Let's have a look. So connect it again. So you can see is have a read the data, the number coming, or say the read, press the read. Now is a read is a file 1. Yes, I press again one more time that you can see it's changed it to the file 2. There, as you see, is the file 2. Now I'm going to disconnect it, that one, connect the copy screen. Connected, and it says green, it means connected correctly. Now press the rewrite. Now you can see there. Say yes, confirm with the yes. Boom shakala. Data error, verification error. It means you are not able to read true tone from the original screen to put it back in the copy screen. Worth it to buy it? I don't know. If you say, oh, I'm going to repair the basement or ID for this, gives so many cheaper tools that you are able to do that. However, it's nothing to against this company. Honestly, they're always amazing. There are other amazing tools. It's just it's a worth to spend so much money for something that is not do what I personally want to do with it. However, this only information is my opinion. What you want, honestly, we are selling them as well. Yeah. If you need one, we sell them for £90, all in, free postage in the UK. And it's come with the other board as well. If you need it, let us know. Give you a comment. Let me know what you think about that product. Thank you for watching K1 Repair Center.